The glorified journey of Dhammasons started with the dream of late Shaikh Mohd Saeed, a visionary businessman and true perfumer who captured the essence of old Dubai's glorious time in the early 1950s. Dhammasons later became part of Shaikh Mohd Saeed group of companies. The name Dhamma is a family name which was derived from Mr. Shaikh Mohd Saeed's father's nickname. In 1954, Dhammasons opened their first perfume shop, which became one of Dubai's first and oldest perfume shops, representing the iconic heritage of old Dubai. The locals in the neighborhood still have nostalgic memories to share of that era. Over the last 65 plus years, Dhammasons has built a powerful coalition of wholesale establishments and retail stores that ensure that the right products reach the market at the right time. They are now one of the leading manufacturers, wholesalers and distributors of Arabic perfumes, Western perfumes, deodorants, oud, bakhur and much more. Mr. Muhammad Ali, the aspiring son of Mr. Shaikh Mohd Saeed, took over the family business at the tender age. With his passion and obsession for the art of perfumery, with great responsibility of steering a brand of rich heritage and strong values, he has taken the company to new horizons.
Hello everyone, my name is Muhammad Ali Saeed, and I am very fortunate to be part of this great country and culture. My father, Allah Yarhamu, started this company in 1954 by the name of Dhammasons, and this company has been expanded for the last 67 years now in the UAE. We are one of the first perfume manufacturers, one of the first perfume founders in the Gulf. And our three things are very important with us, which is honesty, hard work, and dedication. And our company is expanding. Our focus is more to create fragrances which are very unique in the market, and also we are looking forward to cater the customers' needs and wants through creating good bottles and packaging, and as well as perfumery products. Thank you.